If VLC is giving you the message that the input cannot be opened or that VLC is unable to open the MRL, don't worry. This is usually fixable on a Windows PC with a few simple steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact fixes you can try to get your video playing again without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the first method, because in many cases, the problem is not VLC itself, it's the file path, the file name, or where the video is saved. First, move the video file to a simple location like your desktop or even better, the root of your drive, such as C. This helps avoid permission issues and broken file paths that VLC sometimes struggles with. If your file is buried inside multiple folders, especially folders with long names or special characters, that can trigger this error. Now rename the file and also rename the folder it's in if needed. Keep everything short and simple. For example, instead of a long file name with spaces and symbols, rename it to something like movie.mp4. The goal is to make the path as clean as possible. After that, try opening the file in VLC again. In a lot of cases, this alone is enough to fix the error. If the file still won't open, the next thing to do is take ownership of the file. Sometimes, Windows permissions prevent VLC from reading the video properly, especially if the file was downloaded, copied from another device, or saved in a protected folder. To do this, right-click the video file and choose Properties. Then open the Security tab and click Advanced. In the Advanced Security Settings window, look for the Owner section and click Change. A box will appear where you can type Administrator. After typing it in, click Check Names, then click OK. Once you're back to the previous window, click Apply and then close everything out. This gives your system the correct ownership over the file and can remove the access issue that's causing VLC to fail. Now let's move on to the third fix, which is resetting VLC preferences. If VLC settings are corrupted or a bad configuration is interfering with playback, resetting the app can often solve the problem instantly. Open VLC Media Player, then go up to the top menu and click Tools, and from there, choose Preferences. You can also press Ctrl+P on your keyboard to open the same window faster. At the bottom left of the Preferences window, you'll see a Reset Preferences button. Click that, then click OK to confirm. After that, close VLC completely and reopen it. Now try playing the same file again and see if the error is gone. This reset clears out any custom settings that may have been causing the input cannot be opened issue. At this point, one of these three methods should have fixed the problem. First, move and rename the file. Second, take ownership of the file. Third, reset VLC preferences. These are the most common solutions for the VLC unable to open MRL error on PC, and they usually work without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If the video is still not playing after trying all three steps, double check that the file itself is not corrupted. You can also try opening a different video file in VLC to confirm whether the problem is specific to one file or affecting the player more broadly. But in most cases, the steps in this video are enough to get things working again. If this tutorial helped you fix the VLC input cannot be opened error, please hit the like button so more people can find this solution. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy Windows and software repair guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.